Hi folks, welcome back to Gerber Campervans. We find that over the winter when people have not been using their vans so well, that quite often the seals on the roof are coming loose. So I get a lot of inquiries asking about how to put these back on. People often get quite worried. So we're going to do a quick tutorial just to show you how to get this seal, however much of it's come off, how to put this thing back on. Hi folks, so we're going to show you how to put the roof seal back on. This is a roof that's obviously not on the van as yet, but it's just nice and easy for us to show to you. So if you get this sort of situation, you pop your roof up, the seal's pulled off, very simple, don't worry, nothing to do. Just clean this edge, get any dirt and grime that's built off in there. Don't put any kind of oil or glue or adhesive on it, just make sure it's nice and clean. All you then need to do is pinch the channel. So in here is a U-shaped channel. If you go along and just squeeze it, what that does is inside there's a sort of metal U-shaped frame, and all you really need to do is just squeeze that frame back into shape so it's got a bit of grip on it. You can then, if there's a gap, you can pull it nice and tight. If not, so just pop it into place like so. Just make sure it gets a bit of a grip, bang it on with your hand, and then you can, if you've got one handy, just use a little mallet to tap it back into place along the length of the roof. You can tell I don't do this every day. Like so. One there, just like so, and that's it, back on, good to go.